To our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create sales report in HubSpot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So in HubSpot, all you gotta do is simply go and tap it open. So once you open your HubSpot, in it, you can simply create a sales report using the pre-built report templates or the custom report builder. The method you choose may depend on your HubSpot subscription level. You need to use a pre-built sales report, but for this, you need to create a custom sales report as well, but you need a paid version for it. You cannot do it in a free version. So if you want a pre-built sales report or a customized one, then you need to subscribe to the HubSpot paid subscription. So you need to navigate to reports, access your sales report, and select a report. After this, you can simply filter the data as well, which is completely optional, and simply save the report. This is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.